Venpac lift is here. Aye. Massive, right? So I got one delivered a few years back, and we ended up taking it apart. Like 6 guys had to take it piece by piece. But now we got the excavator, and you got this drop here. Alright, check this situation out here. It's too heavy to get off, trying to pull it from the truck now. The excavator didn't lift it. Now we're just trying to get it off onto the tailgate. Tailgate's apparently rated for 3,000 pounds and it weighs 1,400. Should be good that way.
Okay. Stop for a second. Hold. 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 Stop. Well, we got it all.
I'm an old man, I have to go back inside the race.
Yeah. Well, I feel committed now almost, or I could just.
Good. Okay. It's over. Perfect. Hardly any damage at all. So I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
Can-do attitude. Yeah, from Jave. And that's that. She's out. Yeah,
Well, thank you, sir.
I appreciate it. Thanks
have a
for your
good
help. All right. You too.